The Action Lab is a research unit within Ed+ that's focused on research related to digital teaching and learning.
The Action Lab is producing data that gives us actionable information. It draws a line between what the data says and what the research says to the actions that can take place on the instructional design side that allows us continuous improvement on how online learning programs are continuing to innovate and improve. Two parts of our organization is really focusing specifically on data, and what I mean by just data is the learning analytics side of the equation, the footsteps that students take within inside a course, and really understanding those transactions and those behaviors and getting the fine-grained data that's necessary for the research. What the research allows us to do is really to understand those individual learning behaviors across a very diverse set of learners at a very, very granular level. One of the reasons that we started the Action Lab was as we began to ramp up ASU Online, it was decided that it would be a good idea to look specifically at student behaviors and student learning performance within inside that growth scale of that large program. And as ASU Online began to grow rapidly, we thought that what we would do in the research phase would really turn that around, and the data, using that data associated with innovation and design imperatives within the instructional design group.
Because of the Action Lab, the things we can do for students is help them proactively. So things like improved course design, things like helping advisors and coaches have access to data, those are things that the student may not be reaching out for help, but by us doing what we're doing, we are absolutely helping them succeed in the end.
So I think one of the areas where the Action Lab is innovative is how it was designed. So starting with the vision of President Crow and then Dean Regier, of setting up an institution with both the resources and the expertise to answer these key questions related to digital teaching and learning, and giving us the mandate and the freedom to be very bold to tackle these challenging kind of radical research questions, and giving us the support and resources in order to do that.
Innovation is talked about and supported at all levels, from the level of the people in the Action Lab to the Ed+ group to the university as a whole. Without that kind of support, I don't think we'd be able to do some of the things that we're able to do.